Hello Cambly learners, my name is Shelly and I'm a tutor on Cambly Kids. This is our third and final lesson on contractions. Are you ready? Let's go! If you recall our two previous videos on contractions, you'll know that a contraction is a new word that forms when you combine two other words. In this video, we'll focus on negative contractions using the word not. Okay, let's do some word math for the last time, I promise. Are plus not equals aren't. Aren't you going to eat? Cannot equals can't. I can't stand broccoli. Yuck. Could plus not equals couldn't. He couldn't work out that math problem. Did plus not equals didn't. She didn't want to wear those ugly shoes. Does plus not equals doesn't. My watch doesn't work. Do plus not equals don't. Don't pick your nose. Don't. Had plus not equals hadn't. He hadn't eaten all day. Has plus not equals hasn't. It hasn't rained this year. Would plus not equals wouldn't. Wouldn't it be nice to go to the beach today? Have plus not equals haven't. I haven't done my homework yet. Might plus not equals mightn't. She mightn't go to her friend's birthday party. Must plus not equals mustn't. You mustn't play in the middle of the street. Were plus not equals weren't. Tom and Annie weren't ready for school when their mom called them. All right, are you ready to review negative contractions? Okay, you know the drill. Help me match these ice cream scoops to their correct contraction cone. Are not goes with aren't. Were not goes with weren't. Excellent. Did not goes with didn't. Has not goes with hasn't. Great. Do not goes with don't. Great job, Cambly learners. Remember to use some of the contractions you learned in your future conversations. You'll sound much more natural and speak so much faster. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly Kids, let me just tell you that Cambly Kids gives you instant access to amazing native English speakers who are kid-friendly, just like me. Ask your parents to schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.